Hi everyone, my name is Midley. I'm studying in class 2. Now I'm going to tell you a story about a family of a parrot. Once upon a time, there lived a parrot who have 4 chicks. It was cute, but one was breaking from the wings. And then, one day, the forest was not burning, and then they fly, and then to take food for their chicks. Then every day, and then one day, the forest was burning all with fires, but the chicks are very small but cute. but the father parrot says, "Fly, our children, because the forest was burning." And then, but why this small chick don't have wings? What shall we do now? But the father parrot knows one idea. They take with a heart, a stick, and that small chick hold from that stick with her mouth, and then they fly to another place, and then their chicks was not dead, but they are enjoying there. And then the chicks were not die. And then the parrots love their chicks, but all the chicks also love their mom. But we have to love our own mom. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our video. Thank you. Can you please repeat from this? And then, if you want some more videos and from me, this story is about love and care. This parrot was mother and father loving their own chicks. Do you like it? Thank you. Bye.